Hey everyone, this is Ford Mustang 98 guy here, and today let's take an in-depth look at this 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Jeep. We'll start the engine, show it off, goes over performance details, and show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. And so, without further ado, it's going to start up, let it run. Show you the key. It's a purple exterior with gray cloth interior. Heat the steering wheel. Fire it up. $287,000 kilometers. Not bad. Got a full leather wrap steering wheel. Not bad. 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive and low gear selection. Four-wheel drive transfer case. Not bad. So, going to cut on the headlights, as well as the hazards. Automatic drive side window. And we'll check out the exterior, shall we? Got a bug deflector on the hood. That's just music playing in the background. He's mounted on alloy wheels. No simple. Pentastar. We'll be able to get the left side. That's the best. It's 4x4. Locks in place. Place to put your fuel cap. Exhaust. Third brake lights up top. Colombo. And pop the hood. Actually, it's already popped. What? Huh? I'll shut it off when I'm done showing the engine. A 4.0 liter V6 or V8, I'm not too sure. It's 4.0 liter V6. There's your battery, washer fluid, oil, shut it up. Storage, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, full manual driver's seat, and it does have a tilt steering wheel. Alright, hard to slide in here. So, We're going to shut it up. So we're going to shut the engine off. It's going to waste too much gas. So we'll check out the power features while I leave the power on. Easy to use climate control. Different zones, front defrost, air conditioning, temperature. Fan speed, rear defrost, rear wiper. That's the display. It does have an AM/FM radio. It comes with the Infinity Gold sound system with cassette player. Preset stations, tuning, seek. This tunes the station. Power outlet, cigarette lighter. Oh, it's hot outside. Ashtray. Cup holders. Storage. Turn signals. Wipers. Stuff in the way. Not bad. Over here, you have your tachometer, speedometer, oil, temperature, battery, as well as fuel. Like I said, this also has four-wheel drive. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Interior lights, panel broke. Also has wood grain all over the car. Not bad, guys. Vents. Air vents. Alrighty. So I had to shut the vehicle off because it has, as you can see, the gas. They didn't have that much fuel in there, and the gas light might have come on. Now check out the back seat. Ripping off windows. Try to lock better not be on because there's a car seat right there. Cup holders. Nice. Fucking sweaty here. I think it's co-hooks. Yeah. Not bad. Let's get some stuff back. Oh, okay. Check out the rest of the vehicle, guys. To open this thing, you gotta like that, because door handle's stuck a bit. There's the trunk. Storage there. A little bit of interior lights. I don't think it works. Shut it up. A little bit of rust on that side. It's still in good shape. Antenna. This is the antenna. That's the Pentastar logo. Chrysler logo. Never did a Grand Cherokee in my life. Just wanted to get one. Oh fuck. I don't think this door opens. Oh, it's probably, oh, it's locked. It's locked. Because it was locked. Windows. Car seat there. How's it going? What's up? Power locks, windows. Got the Infinity Gold sound system. Storage. Full manual passenger seat. Ooh, shit. It's braking on me. Fuck. It says glove box, and over here is the original owner's manual. 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Shows you all about the vehicle. Tells you all about it. The owner's manual. Yeah. Gives you an options so you can see. It's an owner's manual. I think this door panel's coming off. There's some shit up there. That's all. Yeah. This is coming off a bit. Yeah. Alright, so now we'll start up the door closed. Before we end the video, just tilt the wheel up. I couldn't fit my knee in there. Before we end the video, start up with the door closed. Alright. Not bad. It's kind of loud. Maybe it's the exhaust. It's got a leak in there. Show you the gauges. Alright. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Just stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care, guys.